Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you how to add fraction and how to subtract fraction. Now today I will teach you how to multiply fraction and how to divide the fraction, and also I will explain you how to change mixed fraction into simple fraction and how to write the fractions in ascending order or descending order. Now these are the topics. So start from the first topic, that is the how to multiply fraction. Students, in fraction, if 2 by 4 multiply 3 by 2 is given, and you have to multiply the fraction together, then what we have to do here, 2 by 4, 3 by 2. So always remember, upper number is multiplied with upper number, and the lower number you have to multiply with lower number. Means 2 multiply 3, and in the down you have to multiply 4 multiply 2, and that is 2 3 is 6 and 4 2 is 8. You can reduce this number and write 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 3 by 4, or you write 6 by 8. Same way, another question I am taking from your book. 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 2. Now see, same way, what we have to do, write on the top upper number 3 multiply 1, and in the down 4 multiply 2. Multiply the number, 3 1 is 3 and 4 2 is 8. Okay. If both sides, both the fractions, numerator and denominators are given, here also numerator and denominator are there, here also numerator and denominator. So upper numerator, in numerator you have to multiply, and denominator you have to multiply. So one more question I am giving here. 7 by 4 multiply 5 by 6. So what I told, numerator you have to multiply numerator together and denominator together. Now 7 multiply 5, and in the down 4 multiply 6. 7 5s are 35. 6 4s are 24. That is your answer. Students, if both sides numerator and denominator are given, then easily you can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator and write. And if here 5 multiply 7 by 4, okay, here one single number is given, here fraction 7 by 4 is given. So be remember, you can write here in the round 1, or then it will be the in fraction. So upper number you have to multiply together, 5 into 7 and 1 into 4. 5 7 is 35 and 4 1 is 4. Or if any number is given like that, 7 by 3 multiply 6. In that way also you, in the down you can write 1 and multiply upper number together. 7 multiply 6 and down number together. 3 multiply 1. 7 6 is 42 and 3 1 is 3. If you want to reduce this one, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12, 14. Okay. These are the way to multiply the fraction. And how to divide the fraction. Now next topic is divide the fraction. Your next topic is divide. Students, suppose one question I am taking here. 7 by 4 divide 4 by 5. See here, what is written? 7 by 4 divide 4 by 5. So what we have to do, what is given in the first, you write as usual, 7 by 4. And after then, you have to change this divide into multiply. And if you change the symbol divide into multiply, then what we have to write, after divide what fraction is given, you have to just change numerator is denominator and denominator is numerator, means interchange you have to number. 4 by 5 is given, so what we have to write? Just opposite, 5 by 4. What I did here, when you change this sign division in multiply, then you have to change this fraction. 4 by 5 is there, so you just change opposite, numerator is 4. So in that case you have to write in the down 4 and 5 is in as a numerator you have to write. Then 7, same way, what I multiply, what I told you, upper number is I multiplied with upper number and lower number is multiplied with lower number. Then 7 5s are 35 and 4 4s are 16. Like that you have to write. One more question. 2 by 5 divide 3 by 8. So what is the step? First, write first fraction as usual, you write 2 by 5. And after that what we have to do? We have to change this symbol divide into multiply. And when you change this symbol in multiply, just you have to write the, after the divide what fraction is given, you have to write the interchange the number 3 by 8, it will be the 8 by 3. And now we get the simple multiplication. So upper number multiply together and down number you have to multiply together. 2 8s are 16 and 5 3s are 15. These are the way to divide the fraction. Now students, if so many fractions are given together, and if I told you write this, arrange these fractions into ascending order or descending order. First I want to explain you what is the ascending order. A ascending order and descending order. As all you know, ascending order, that means you have to start from the smallest number to highest number, from the smallest to highest, smallest to highest, highest. And descending order, highest to lowest. That is the way. In simple number, if any number is given 7 6 3 4, so how to write in ascending order? Means 3 4 6 and 7. This is the ascending order, means from the smallest to highest. And if same number is given and we have to write in descending order, so what we have to write? 7 6 4 3, means first we write the largest number, then smaller, 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 at last smallest number. These are the descending order. Okay. Now in fraction, how to write in ascending order, descending order? One question I am taking from your book. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 4. Students, you have to write this number in ascending order as usual, also in descending order. So how to write these fractions in ascending order? Here you see all the denominators 2, 4, 8, 4 means are different. This one is the 2, this one is the 4 and 8 are different. So first work is here. You have to make LCM of 2, 4, 8, 4 together. Take the LCM 2, 4, 8, 4. I told you have to take the from the lowest number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Again 1 1 1 and 1. Means here what is the LCM of 2 4 8 4? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, right? This number together 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So LCM of 2, 4, 8, 4 is 8. Students, when we get the LCM of the denominators, then it is easy for us. What we have to do? We have to make all the fractions denominators is the equal to 8. Means our work is here. We have to make all the denominators, means all the fractions denominators, what? 8. Then how it is possible? By finding the equivalent fraction. Now students, see 1 by 2. First fraction is 1 by 2. In 1 by 2, what number we will multiply in the down? Then it will be the 8. So 4 4 is 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4. Upper number you have to multiply together and down number you have to multiply together. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay. Then next number is 3 by 4. Write this one, 3 by 4. Then 3 by 4, and what number we will multiply in 4? Then it will be 8. 2. 4 2s are 8. Then 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Next number already it is here. No need, but you write here 3 by 8 multiply 1 by 1. You can write here 3 1 is 3 and 8 1 is 8. Next number is 1 by 4. And then here multiply in 1 by 4. What we have to multiply? 2 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 4 is 8. Now see here all denominators are the same, 8 8 8 8. Then if all the denominators are the same, then lowest number is lowest and highest number is highest. So here we have to write the ascending order. We have to write the in ascending order. Now we get the fraction. All the denominators are same. 4 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8. Then if all denominators are the same, then smaller number is smallest and higher number is highest. Mean here what is the smallest number in numerator? 4 6 3 2. Compare the number. Then which one is the smallest here? 2. So first we write 2 by 8. That is less than which one number? 2. After 2, which number is here? 3 by 8. And 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8. And 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. These are the way to find the ascending order and descending order. And this is the ascending order, and same way we have to write the descending order. How? What we have to write? First we write the 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8, greater than 3 by 8, and then 2 by 8. Like that. Just opposite you will write. Then it will be the descending order. Now students, one question left here. How to change the given mixed fraction to improper fraction or proper fractions? Okay. See. One example, one question I am taking from your book. How to change the mixed fraction in simple fraction. Change mixed fraction into simple fraction. One question I am taking from your book. 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. Student, it is very easy. Always remember, in this two number relation is multiply, and here upper number we have to do the plus. Means what we have to, what is in the down, you write first down as its same number 3, and upper number what I told 3. In this two number you have to do 1 multiply 3, and after that this number you have to write the plus, and what is on the top you write as it is. Okay. Now 3 1 is 3 plus 1 by 3. 4 by 3. One another question I am taking 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. So how to remember in your mind? See here these two upper this one is the complete integer and this one is the fraction number. You have to in this 2 you have to do the multiply and afterwards you have to add this upper number. And what is in the down? First you write as it is. What is in the down? In the down it is 2. 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. What is in the down? You are write as it is 2. And after then what I told, multiply this number together 2 to the and upper number I have to the plus 1. 2 to the 4 plus 1 then 5 by 2. See here next example I am taking from your book 5 3 by 7. 5 3 by 7. So what I told in this two number it will be multiplied. You have to multiply 5 7 together and after multiplying you have to add upper number. Okay, and in the down you have to write what is given in the down as it is you have to write. So what I told as it is you have to write in the down. The down what is written? 7. So you write the 7 and after then in these two numbers what we have to do? 5 or 7 we have to multiply this number together. 5 multiply 7 and upper number what we have to do? Plus what is here upper number? 3. Then 5 7 are 35 plus 3. Then it will be the add the number together 35 or 3 38 by 7. These are the way to change the mixed fraction into simple fraction. Students, here your fraction chapter is over.